Hey guys, today I'll show you how to enter DFU mode on your iPhone. First, connect your iPhone to your PC. Okay, then on your PC, open iTunes. Click here and open. Then open Apple device. Click here and open. And now you can see your iPhone information here. Now, press the volume up, then press the volume down and press and hold the side button. You can see. When your phone turning off, press and hold the side button and the volume down button at the same time for 5 seconds. Then release the side button and keep holding the volume down button. And now you can see DFU mode successful. And if you want to exit DFU mode, you can see my other videos in comments. Thank you for watching.